Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Those of you who are doing Panchakarma, this is 7th day, and congratulations if you reached until today. It's very good, because eating only Kichri and being so much strict with your food is very tough, and we are going in this together, so it's very helpful. Please let me know what's your condition and what's going on in your health and mental world. Yesterday I forgot what was the real process of Panchakarma, so I went back in the evening and read the part where Dr. Vasant Lad was talking about Panchakarma, and he was telling that during this Panchakarma time, when you started drinking ghee, in the evening time you can start drinking triphala every day. He explains there in details how to drink it, or if you have tablets, 2 tablets probably in the evening. So what does it do is, it is a little bit peaceful method of removing the dirt from your body. In traditional Panchakarma, what they do is first they drink ghee and massage and all, then they will start purification process. They will give you purgative, or if you're a kapha person, they will make you vomit, give you something to vomit. So these are very difficult processes. So he says in order to make it smoother, you can continue drinking Triphala tablets. But because we didn't have Triphala tablets, we had Senna. But Senna you cannot drink all the time. And also he tells that Inima. You please search for it. Inima is something basti. It's something related to purification. That there are 3 process of purification. One is vomiting, one is drinking purgatives, another third is usually Vata persons are recommended to do that. And Vasant Lad Prabhu, Dr. Vasant Lad, he talks that you can do for 3 days. Now from yesterday you could have done for continuous 3 days enema, but it's so difficult process, so we won't do that. On the place of that, we yesterday at night we drank 100% senna tea. I think it's like 2 tablespoons. We bought ready-made tea. It's caffeine free. It's 100% senna leaves. So we bought that, and in 1 cup of water, boiled water, we just put it inside and drank. And senna starts working after 8 hours. In last Panchakarma, we did a mistake of drinking it in the morning, and whole day we were like suffering. But this time, yesterday evening, in the 6th day, we drank senna, and as a result, in the morning, everything was nice. So that is it. We won't drink any senna, because senna drinking will be, if you do it continuously, it's not so good. It may cause some problems to your intestines. And then we are still continuing applying oil to our bodies, and then eating Kichri. Today is the 7th day, and tomorrow will be 8th day, and the 9th day we can start putting vegetables in the Kichri. So this is it. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.